This is AutoCAD Civil 3D, lesson 1. So we're going to start this up. Make sure everything we do will be in English metric. So if you don't do it in English metric, it's going to look stupid. To answer your first stupid question before you ask it, if it doesn't look the same as it does in the video, it's because you're not in English metric. So over here, a few pop-ups opened. I just closed them. What do we do to start off with? I'm just going to show you where Civil 3D is different from AutoCAD and where it's like from AutoCAD in this video. It's not really we're not really gonna do anything, but I'll go ahead and do it. So before you ask why are we doing this, it's so we can we can measure surfaces and make roads. It's just using the real world, and it's gonna help you guys on some of your internships. You can see where the water's gonna go. Like if you had a surface here, you can see where the water would go. If you dropped a drop of water here, it would show where it would leave, or where it would end up. And you can set up your pipe networks, which is like where all the pipes are gonna go. You can build buildings on it. You could import these surfaces into Revit, and you can put buildings on top of them, and then there's buildings that come with this program. So it's a pretty cool program, and it's just using the real world, so you should learn it. There's a few things up here though that I'm going to show you what all this does on this part. So this palettes thing is just going to open and close your palettes. In my videos, I'm going to have my palettes always look like this. They're always going to look like this. So I'm just going to highlight over them, and then they pop up. So I just like it. You can do it however you like, but I just think it makes it easier for me to see what's going on. So it says tool space right here, and this is all your tool space stuff. Tool space has 4 tabs: settings, survey, and toolbox. We won't be playing with the other 3, but we will be in Prospector quite a bit. Tool palettes would let you place lanes. It's hard. You can't. You will get there. Don't worry. It's got a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Properties, properties. It just changes how things work in Civil 3D. AutoCAD has points as the Civil 3D. This is where things get a little bit complicated. If you can use the point creation tool and select where you want a point to be, and then you select the next point, and then if you keep doing this, and then it says at the bottom right, you have to actually read a little bit while you're doing this. It says please specify location for the new point, and then yeah, but now it froze, so we're doing good things. If it freezes, you can generally just minimize it and open it back up, and it'll go away. Next we have all these design tools. We won't really be doing too much with grading. Feature lines are important. Parcels are what outlines a piece of land. So your house is on a parcel, the school is on a parcel, your neighbor's house is on a parcel, but they're on a different parcel than yours. And yeah, intersections are so basically corridor is the same thing as a road, and if you have 2 corridors intersecting, then you would use the intersection tool on. So that's a little bit complicated. I don't think we'll be touching that in this series. Profile views are very important in the actual world. Section views are considerably more important in the actual world. And then we get to AutoCAD. See, this program has a lot of fancy tools, but it's really just AutoCAD with more automation. You have lines you can do. Look familiar? Yeah. Mirror, all these tools that should be similar to you in AutoCAD. Insert, tab, looks the same. Modify. This is a little bit different. We'll touch on this. I do like a little video on grading. We'll touch this a little bit. Analyze. We'll be touching this a lot actually. This allows you to measure how much dirt is being moved in and out of an area. This will be an answer on a quiz coming up, so Remember that? You'll be coming across that flow path and catchment areas. We'll be playing with that. Let's see what else. I think that's it. So another thing Civil 3D allows you to do is it lets you go 2D drafting and annotation. This is AutoCAD. Like, you're not in Civil 3D anymore when you enter this drawing mode. Okay, that makes sense. Um, you're just in AutoCAD, so don't expect to. So like, if you're trying to do Civil 3D and you look up and 2D drafting annotation is on, you can't do Civil 3D. You have to change it to Civil 3D. Seems common sense, but you'd be surprised how many questions I have to answer about. So I think that's the end of this video. I showed you kind of a walkthrough of what's in Civil 3D, and I hope